Rahul Gandhi pleads not guilty in defamation case over Modi surname remark. The Jammu and Kashmir administration released 4 political leaders who were detained since August 5th. Jammu and Kashmir reopens to tourists after 2 months. All help assured. BJP keeps chair of 5 out of 11 parliamentary panels for itself. Congress, YSRCP and the BSP get to head a committee each. Akhilesh Yadav meets family of youth killed in encounter. Lashes out at government. Hindon Airport all set to operate first flight on October 11th. The Telangana High Court tells police not to obstruct Teenmar Malana's campaign, who is in the fray for Huzurnagar by-elections. 5-month-old baby dies after getting hit during fight between parents in Delhi. BJP uses security forces, hijacks their sacrifices to get votes, says Mehbooba Mufti. Prime Minister Modi's new official aircraft will be flown by Air Force pilots, a senior official said. The TSRTC Joint Action Committee worked to intensify the strike. Even as Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao is already facing the wrath of RTC employees, power staff warn of stir for demands. Nirmala Sitharaman assures PMC blank lines, says will talk to RBI chief. Shiv Sena chief Uddhav Thackeray had to apologize to party workers for the unequal split in seats, as 26 Shiv Sena corporators and 300 workers resigned to protest BJP seat share deal. Congress leader Rajesh Mishra declines offer to be Priyanka Gandhi's advisor, asks party to introspect. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Y. Jagan Mohan Reddy has announced that new health cards will be issued from December 1st. The former minister in United Andhra Pradesh, Madati Narasimha Reddy, passes away. He was 85. Karimnagar Dairy to sell petrol and fertilizers too in the district. Several schools in Hyderabad to open despite government's order on Dasara holiday. Vegetable prices soar in Hyderabad as rains damage crops. The officials of GHMC fined 2 people of rupees 1 lakh each for throwing construction debris on road at Miapur. Depressed over losing job, TSRTC driver dies of heart attack in Hyderabad. Heavy fighting as Turkey pushes into North Syria. Tens of thousands of people flee as the operation in Kurdish-held areas enters its second day. The new design of Britain's most common and most forged 20 pounds banknote has been unveiled by the Bank of England. A Pakistani soldier was killed in an alleged cross-border shelling by Indian security forces along the line of control. The Islamabad High Court has rejected a petition to drop terror charges against Parvez Musharraf. Apple removes Hong Kong Map app after Chinese criticism. In a gruesome incident, a 17-year-old girl was set on fire by a youngster in Kochi. Both succumbed to injuries. India make 273 for 3 by stumps on day 1 of second test against South Africa. Mayank Agarwal brings up his second test century. Virat Kohli surpasses Sourav Ganguly's feat as test captain. Became only the second test captain after MS Dhoni to lead India in 50 matches. Sri Lanka completes a 3-0 T20 international whitewash over Pakistan. Indian sprinter Nirmala Sharan banned for 4 years, stripped of Asian titles for doping. Mary Kom and Manju Rani enter semi-finals of World Women's Boxing Championship. Kavita Chahal knocked out.